okay? People of African descent have dominated.
It's hovering at around 6,000 points, which means the stock market is up over 8.
Are you cold, William? Are you fishing, Marshmallow? Yay! Hey, hi!
It's okay.
Are you cold? Are you cold, anak? Let's stay here. Oh my god, it's so cold here. Like, it's really like, it's gonna make your head hurts. Let's stay here for a bit now. Are you cold? See that? Daddy's getting a wood for later. Why?
I keep seeing.
Start. Then you can start again.
Okay. Turn on the truck a little bit to make sure we got keep that engine somewhat warm through the night.
William, he's pissed because you're.
I'm holding him still.
Good morning. Good morning. The water became ice. It's so cold. It's 2 degrees Celsius. William, let's go now. Baby, you wanna go outside? It's 27 Fahrenheit here. I don't know what it's in Celsius. But last night, it was 2 degrees Celsius. Let's check the panda. Womp. Did you step on it, Nikki? Away. Away. Other.
Yep, he rubbed across it like, no. There's no fear.
Other. Other. Come here. It's frozen. Come here. It's gonna break. Hey, stupid. Come here. Otter, come here. Otter, get it. It's frozen.
You can walk on.
No, do not go. It's. You're gonna. Oh, it's so slippery. Hey, slippery, Nikki. You're gonna. Nikki.
My dad walked on it. I don't think I'm.
This morning?
Last night when it was even less frozen.
Okay. I thought there's water. Yesterday there was water. No.
No.
It was ice also.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. Otter, come and get this, Otter. Otter, get us. You have no spike in your claw. Otter, come here.
Otter,
Otter, come get this.
come here.
Come on, dumbass.
Otter, get this. Good job.
He's like, I can't stop.
Babe, you're gonna.
Really thick.
Yeah, but it's gonna break. I need this. Is it deep? Is it deep this one? Before?
Yep, those are bubbles.
Otter, it's my tarantado. See?
You know what tarantado means? Nikki?
Retarded.
Retard.
Why is there's white in there? Like in mold?
Those are bubbles.
Come get it. I'm sitting on the ice.
He can't stop.
This is nice here when you have those, like you said, for ice.
Ice skates?
Yeah.
No, not in this little pond. The ice has got too many things in it. The leaves and all kinds of stuff.
Should bring William. I'll get William.
Hi. Why do you have that confused look on your face? Huh? Huh? Huh?
This is your 2. William, baby, baby. What happened if your truck did not start? Forget. Yeah, this morning because it was cold. Your